Hi students, this is today's class quadratic equations in one variable exercise 5.3. Listen ma, exercise 5.3 fully based on the quadratic formula. Here we are going to learn quadratic formula. Listen, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the quadratic formula. But in board exam point of view, 99% they are asking only this formula. I mean using quadratic formula solve this. Like this they given the questions are very important. The formula is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Listen, we all know what is the quadratic equation. This formula only applicable in quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is known condition. Listen ma, using this equation we need to identify a, b, c. Listen, what is a? Coefficient of x square. What is b? Coefficient of x. C is the constant. Using this we are going to solve this exercise sums. Listen, solve the following equations by using formula. Listen the word. If they are mentioned using formula, you should use only the formula. You are not going prime factorization method. Okay, listen, how we solve this? First you need to check whether that is the quadratic equation or not. Listen, this is the quadratic equation. So first you need to identify a, b, c. What is a? Coefficient of x square. What is coefficient of x square? 2. What is b? Coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x? Minus 7. Next is c. C is constant. What is c here? 6. Next we need to apply quadratic formula. Quadratic formula x is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now we are going to apply all ABC values in this formula. What is b? Minus 7. Already we have minus. Instead of b, apply minus 7 plus or minus square root of what is b? Minus 7. So minus 7 whole square minus 4 into what is a? 2. What is c? 6 divided by 2 into what is a? 2. Next minus into minus plus 7 plus or minus square root of 7 squared 49 minus 6 fours are 24. 24 into 2 48. Next divided by 2 twos are 4 equal to this plus or minus is must. Next 7 plus or minus square root of 49 minus 48 to 1 divided by 4. Next square root of 1 is 1. So 7 plus or minus 1 by 4 are. Next the roots. Now listen, quadratic equation we need 2 roots. But here we have 1. So listen, look at the center value plus or minus r. So the roots are 7 plus 1 by 4 and 7 minus 1 by 4. This is the roots. So 8 by 4 and 6 by 4. So what is the answer? 2 times here 3 by 2. So the roots are 2 and 3 by 2. Second question. This is the multiplication plus 2 is equal to 0. First we need to look at this whether it's a quadratic equation or isn't this. This is quadratic equation. No. First we need to convert this form into the quadratic equation. First multiply this. 3 twos are 6x squared. Next minus 4x. Next multiply this. Plus 3 threes are 9x. Plus into minus minus 3 twos are 6. Plus 2 equal to 0. Next 6x squared. Plus 5x minus 4 equal to 0. Next we are going to apply the quadratic formula. So what is the quadratic formula? For all the sums you need to write the formula. Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. What is, first we need to find ABC. What is a? Coefficient of x squared. What is b? Coefficient of x. What is c? C is constant minus 4. Next apply this. Minus what is b? 5 plus or minus square root of what is b? 5 square minus 4 into what is a? 6 what is C? Minus 4 divided by 2 into what is A? 6 minus 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus into minus plus 24 into 4 48 divided 96 so minus 5 plus or minus square root of 121 by 12 next to 121 is the square of 11 so minus 5 plus or minus 11 by 12 so the roots now we need to split the term so the roots are we need to split minus 5 plus 11 by 12 and minus 5 minus 11 by 12 next 6 by 12 and here minus 16 by 12 cancel this 3 2s are 6 2s are 1 by 2 are here 4 by 3 are 4 4s are 16 4 3s are 12 so what is the roots root 1 by 2 and 4 by 3 this is the roots for the sum next here what is A? 256 what is B? minus 32 what is C? 1 what is quadratic formula? minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC by 2A what is B? minus of minus 32 plus or minus square root of what is B? minus 32 square minus 4 into 256 into C 1 divided by 2 into 256 next minus and minus plus 32 plus or minus square root of 1024 minus 1024 to the multiplication divided by 512 next 32 plus or minus this is 0 divided by 512 so 0 na everything is 0 so 32 by 512 1 time is 16 time but listen plus or minus 1 by 16 roots now we need two values so the roots are plus 1 by 16 and minus 1 by 16 for the second question root 3 same form it's in the root form what is A? root 3 what is B? 10 what is C? minus 8 root 3 what is quadratic formula? minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A now we need to apply this what is B? minus 10 plus or minus square root of what is B? 10 square minus 4 into what is A? root 3 what is C? minus 8 root 3 divided by 2 into what is A? root 3 next minus 10 plus or minus square root of 10 square 100 minus into minus plus if you multiply this you will be getting 96 divided by 2 root 3 next minus 10 plus or minus square root of 196 divided by 2 root 3 next minus 10 196 is the square of 14 so 14 by 2 root 3 now the roots are listen minus 10 plus or minus 14 by root 2 root 3 so minus 10 plus 14 by root 3 minus 10 minus 14 by 2 root 3 next minus 10 plus 14 4 by 2 root 3 next now listen first 4 by 2 root 3 we all know denominator value should not be in the root form so 4 by 2 root 3 both numerator denominator can multiply and divided by root 3 so you will be getting 4 root 3 divided by here 2 into root 3 into root 3 3 next 1 times 2 times so 2 root 3 by 3 this is one root next is second this is first root second root minus 24 by 2 root 3 so both can multiply by root 3 divided by root 3 so minus 24 root 3 divided by 6 are 2 into 3. 1 time 12 times. So minus 12 root 3 by 3. Again 1 time 4 times. So minus 4 root 3. So the roots are minus 4 root 3 and 2 root 3 by 3. Okay ma'am, the applying quadratic formula is a very important models in your board exam point of view. You can I hope you all understand this. We will see the next sums in the next video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in WhatsApp. Thank you students.